Hello everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo. In this video I want to show you the difference between our Sheetgo web application and our Sheetgo add-on. So you can use Sheetgo in two different ways. Right now I'm in the Sheetgo Web App. As you can see, this is our web page where you can find all of your workflows that you've already created, where you can choose to create new workflows, and just where you can manage all the different connections between your spreadsheets. So as you can see right now, I'm in my marketing KPIs workflow. I have my dashboard and then my different channels, and this data flows automatically into the master sheet using Sheetgo. You can share this workflow with your colleague. As you can see, you could schedule automatic updates right here. You can choose between hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. And you can run the workflow, of course, to update the connections and make sure that the data from your channels is updated into your dashboard. Here you can see the different connections inside your workflow. As you can see, there's only one. This means that it's a consolidation. It merges the different spreadsheets, the different channels into one. So you only need one connection to create this workflow. And then you of course have your separate files, your separate spreadsheets. You can open your spreadsheets directly from inside our web application. You don't even need to access your spreadsheets in different tabs anymore, but you can edit them from inside the web application directly and also consult your dashboard. In fact, I want to show you our coolest new feature. In inventory management, you see a new tab, dashboard. Here you have a clear overview of your dashboard, of your stock from inside the web application. So no need to even access your spreadsheets, as you simply click refresh here and you'll see the most recent updated data of your stock management. Last but not least, of course, I want to show you how to create a new workflow. You simply click this button and then you choose to create a blank workflow or from a template. Here you have all of our templates, but let me show you a blank workflow. Let's call this workflow 1. There we go. Create. As you can see, we of course haven't added any files, so you can select them here. Choose where the data needs to come from which file. By default, you have your most recent visited files here, or you can directly upload files or search for them in your drive. Let me choose one of my files as an example. There we go. And then you select a data destination. By default, it will give you a new spreadsheet, so the data from your data source will automatically flow into a new spreadsheet, but you can change this destination if you want it to go to an already existing spreadsheet, of course. In the settings, you can give this connection a name. My first connection, let's call it. You can set the automatic updates, filter by. We have the filter by condition, query, or color. So you choose one of those, and many more settings for you to discover what else you can do to structure your data flow, of course. And then you simply click Save Connection and Sheetgo will create your workflow. There we go. As you can see, Sheetgo automatically created this new spreadsheet and imported the data coming from the historic data, stock data file. So this is how our web application works. You can, as you can see, immediately edit this file, the connections, or run the workflow from inside the same sheet. But let me now show you how you use our add-on. So, as you know, an add-on can be installed directly from inside your spreadsheet by clicking Get Add-ons. You search for Sheetgo in the G Suite Marketplace. And then you install it by clicking here, of course. But I already have it, so I'm going to click Start. It opens the sidebar on the right side of your screen, and then you can start connecting this spreadsheet to another or the other way around by hovering over this plus button and choosing Import or Export Data. Let's import some data into this file. Let me find the same spreadsheet that I used in the web app just to show you a similar. Here we go. It was the historic stock data file. And of course, we don't have to select a data destination anymore because this is the spreadsheet that you're in. You're choosing to import this data from the historic stock data file inside this spreadsheet. In the settings, you can choose to rename the connection, my first add-on connection, let's call it. And of course, change the settings as you like. But let me save this connection to show you how it works. There we go. Sheetgo creates a new tab with the data coming from this historic stock data file, of course. So this is how it works. If you want to update it, you simply click this button to update the connection, but we have the automatic updates on, so it will do so every day automatically. And you can simply create more connections with this file, or if you want to add this connection to a workflow, you simply do it by clicking here. Let me add it to the workflow we created in the web app, workflow 1, and it's added. As you can see here, we now have the workflow with the 2 different connections that we created. So this is how you work with our app or with our Sheetgo add-on. If you have any questions about this, please comment below and we'll make sure to help you. I will also add a link in our description for you to talk to one of our customer success experts, Jackie. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more updates on how to use Sheetgo, how to use Google Sheets, any new cool features, and make sure to watch the videos. Thank you very much.